I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to stretch carpet without a carpet stretcher. Now for this job, I'll actually be using a knee kick. It has a pad on one side and a bunch of bristles on this side that are angled. That way you can put it down into the carpet, throw your knee into it, and give it a nice stretch. And they're relatively inexpensive. I paid $24 for this one. Now the way I use this is I put it away from the wall about 4 to 5 inches, and then I take my knee and I kick it right over. You can see how much that stretched it. Then if you're using a tack strip, you go ahead and apply it to the tack strip, or if you're using staples, go ahead, put it to where it's stretched and go ahead and staple it down. Now if a knee kick isn't possible to get, there's only one other way that I know to do it. My dad actually taught me this. It is take your shoes, see you're away from the carpet here, so you have your shoes on and you're actually going to jump towards the wall. That way it pulls all that carpet, and then you'll have somebody go along and tack it to the strip or put your staples in. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about stretching carpet without a carpet stretcher. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.